Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Airbase login problems, workspace access errors step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Airbase login page. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet network. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Double-check that your credentials are correct. If you encounter an error, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page. Input your email and the new password you created. If you still cannot log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings. Locate the option for clearing browsing data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Confirm your selection and refresh the login page. If the issue persists, try using a different browser. Open a new web browser and navigate back to the Airbase login page. Enter your credentials again and see if you can access your account. If login problems continue, check if there are any known outages by visiting the Airbase status page. You can also reach out to your IT support team for assistance. Provide them with details about the error you are facing. Make sure to include any error messages you see on the screen. If all else fails, you can contact Airbase support directly. Provide them the necessary information to help resolve your issue. Be prepared to follow any additional troubleshooting steps they recommend. Finally, once you're able to log in, ensure your workspace access settings are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.